as the estranged, as a coincidental passing, the coincidental hello. Wherever it was suffused, suffused as a palm tree's corridor, nonetheless our feathers, their plural endeavors. Where the lenses were embarrassed, were a place for perennial being, perennial etc., perennial potassium. Chamomile restored the canary, restored its conviction in the sun, in how the sun languishes, in how the sun sings. Despite our garden, the basis for humor, the basis for wind, for revolving corridors, wherever it was suffused as a palm tree's corridor, nonetheless our feathers, their plural endeavors. Given the minuscule, given the eclipse, a calendar and renown, our past leaf, our past trellis. Given the minuscule, given the eclipse, a calendar and renown, our past leaf, our past trellis, where the lenses were embarrassed, where the lenses were embarrassed.